lawyers are talking about it, and nakakatuwa naman kasi lahat puro positive na they are very much confident na airtight yung mga cases that we'll be filing. So we're happy about it. It's just that mahirap talagang yung court of public opinion yung binibira nila. Hindi nila binabanggit yung 2023, ni-raise na natin ito. Tapos 2023 pala, bigla na lang sasabihin may project na hindi mo rin alam, na hindi rin alam ng DE, ng RD, ng secretary. And then this guy, na nung dumating dun sa camera, biglang iba na yung sinasabi, di ba? So, nakakagulat lang, but it is what it is. Alam naman natin yung reputasyon din dun sa camera. Pag witness ka, pag hindi nagustuhan yung sasagot mo, iko-contempt ka. Yun yung binanggit ni Senator Marcoleta, it's not me who said it. So, yun lang. At tayo naman, very positive tayo na malalagpasan natin itong mga paninira.